Cannot install Windows 11 because you don't have a bootable USB? In this quick guide, I will show you exactly how to create a Windows 11 bootable USB flash drive using the easiest and official method, step by step. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official Microsoft website. Scroll down to create Windows 11 installation media and click on download. I'll put the link in the description for your convenience. Once the file is downloaded, go to your downloads folder and double click the media creation tool. Click yes when prompted. Now the Microsoft license agreement will appear. Read this agreement and click on accept. Now you will see the language and edition selection screen. Here you can choose your preferred language. I will go with the default option. In addition, go with Windows 11. At this point, connect the USB flash drive you want to make bootable. Make sure to back up all important data from the USB because everything will be erased. Click Next. Now select the USB flash drive and click Next. Now choose your USB drive from the list. If you have multiple drives, be very careful. Selecting the wrong one will delete its data. Click Next and the tool will start downloading Windows 11 and creating the bootable USB. This may take some time depending on your internet speed. Now as you can see, your USB flash drive is ready. Click Finish. Now you can safely eject your USB drive. And that's it, your Windows 11 bootable USB is ready to use. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe to FixLoop for more simple tech guides. Bye bye.